Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Russ and I drive my 2024 Subaru Forester Sport. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 hidden features that are located inside Subaru Forester's interior. And even if you own a Subaru Forester like me, I bet that you don't know about the last one. So stay tuned and let's begin. So let's start with the big one. The back seat of a Subaru Forester does recline. In fact, I saw so many reviews where reviewers would say that no, they don't recline. But all you have to do is find this little tab on the side here, you pull it, and then the back seat does recline a few degrees. So make sure to mention this to your passengers who are riding in the back, and I'm pretty sure they're going to enjoy the ride so much more if that seat reclined a little bit. The second hidden feature is right here in the back, basically right next to the seat bench. You see this little, what looks like a step. It's not very apparent, but if you know, you know. Basically, it's designed by Subaru engineers to be here as a step, and it's designed for you to step on it in order to basically go up to the roof. And it's very nice. It's not very like in the way. It doesn't look like a step, but at the same time, it's designed to be stepped on, and I think it's really clever. The third hidden feature has to do with convenience as well. Basically, you have 3 hidden hooks here in the back of a Subaru Forester. They have some weight limits on them though, so you can't really hang anything heavy, but it's still nice that they're here, like, to hang on like a grocery bag or something. You get the idea. So basically, you can have these 3 hooks to just play around with and do whatever you want. Alright, so let's move from convenience to fun. Basically, every Subaru Forester from premium, trim, and up has a panoramic moonroof, at least here in America. And basically, panoramic moonroof is great, it's amazing. I use it every day. But when you press that button to open up the moonroof, it's gonna open up, it's gonna be a huge opening. But the hidden feature here is that if you press that button once more after it stops, it's gonna give you like about 20% more sunshine into the cabin because the panoramic roof is gonna slide even further down to the back. So yeah, that's that little hidden feature. All right, and for the final hidden feature, it's super hidden and it's super fun. Basically, I only do this when I'm in park, like now. Basically, all you gotta do is hold the home button and you have to press the top of this button to unscroll twice, and then you're gonna open up a secret menu. So let me try this for you. One, home, bam, bam. That's it. You're gonna see here in the middle, it's gonna say camera setting. If not, choose camera setting. Then you're gonna go down a little bit once, and you're gonna see the word camera setting again, and you're gonna press it, and voila. Now I'm in park, but I have access to the backup camera, and I see exactly what's behind me. So yeah, feel free to use this one. Don't do this when you're driving, but it's definitely fun because, you can sort of, in a sneaky way, see what's happening behind you, and nobody really knows that you are using that feature. All right, so, and yeah, to get out of this, you just have to press back over here, and you have to press home, and you're back to regular settings. So yeah, these are my 5 hidden features that I'm happy to share with you after driving this car for 2 years now. But if I missed something, please put this in the comments. Let me know what else am I missing about the interior of this Subaru Forester. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.